You can literally make from $30 up to $300 just using the internet. So how cool is that?
Nowadays, we spend a lot of our time searching on the internet, and our old and close friend Mr. Google help us to find lots of things that we want to search on the internet. For example, maybe new movie releases, or you want to know something around new celebrity gossips, yeah, gossips, or something around who am I? Maybe who am I also. Or you tend to search out lot of videos on the internet that you want to see a popular YouTuber making videos and try to see what are they doing each and every day in their life, or the videos that you love every day you keep on watching all those videos, or something around download new movies, or for example new movie download or something, new movie app, new movie 2019 or something. What if I say you can make lots of money doing the exact same thing that you are doing each and every day, that is searching on the Google or seeing your favorite YouTube videos from your favorite YouTubers, or maybe something with all this doing the same thing that you are doing each and every day, you can make lots of money with this. How was the idea? The idea seems pretty nice, right?
Hey Avengers, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about one app that you can use for making money online just searching on the Google or watching the YouTube videos. Sounds pretty interesting, right? So make sure you watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video, I'll be showing you my earning proof from this app. And make sure you smash this like button, because it will help in the YouTube algorithm to reach my videos to more people like you and help them also to make money online and change their life forever. Before starting, make sure you press the red subscribe button and press on the bell icon and press all for getting all my future video notifications at the first.
For this, we'll be using one app called Honeygain. We need to go to the website. Yeah, you heard it correct, guys. We are using for this as Honeygain. So let us quickly grab how the website looks and quickly grab the reviews of the website. You can see this website is available for, or this app actually is available for Windows app, Android app, Android phone, or Mac OS also it is available. So how it works basically is, first you need to install on the preferred device the Honeygain app. Once you have installed, you need to connect to the internet and you get money. That's pretty simple, but you will be having some questions that why some companies or someone will be giving you money for doing the same thing that you are doing per day with your each and everyday thing, like searching on the internet or watching your favorite YouTube videos. So I'll be explaining you how this works and why somebody will pay you money for this. There are big companies out there that want to see what are the people intent on the internet, what people try to do in the internet, and there are big data scientists. They want to see what are the people doing on the internet each and every day. So these big companies and those data scientists hired this website Honeygain, and Honeygain what basically do is they take your data, whatever you are doing on the internet, and they try to sell those data to those big companies and the data scientists, and within this they will get money for this, and from those money they are giving some percentage to you. Now I think you have understood how it works, and here you see they have written the same thing. They have Honeygain creates a connection between the payments or something, and they share your unused net traffic to the data scientist. But before that, I want to explain you something about that you should not use this app in which you are using your banking personal sensitive information. For example, banking password, email ID password, or something around. Nowadays, people have lots of money, lots of phones out there that they are using for like for fun or something. I'll not suggest to you install those app in your personal phone in which they are using for sensitive informations like bank password or something. You can use this app on some other devices in which you are using using a sensitive data password something that you can install and can earn money and watch your YouTube videos and you can earn money. That is one thing. So next I'll be explaining you how much you can earn with this. So per day, if you are spending around, it should be per day, okay? If it is per day, if you are spending around 1 GB, you can earn around $3 per month. And obviously you cannot make $1 million or $2 million with this, but you can get pretty nice money in your hand as a pocket money for this. For example, if you are spending around 100 GB per day, it's pretty easy because now it is a day of 5G and 4G. You can keep on uploading videos, downloading videos. You can spend around 10 to 100 days per day in 10 to 100 GB per day, and you can earn around $300 a month. It's actually pretty good. So next I'll be talking about some of the things. It's very easy to use, some global costs and gains you can get paid for using full advantage of your internet. It's nice. Okay, next thing is that how you can earn with this is refer and earn. So if you haven't used this app, you can I'll give a link on the downloads on the description of the box of this app link. You can go and download this app from the description link. For this you will get $5 in your bank account. If you share those app to your more of your friends, then you can earn more for that. I'll be giving a link on my description box. Just go and have a look and download this app right now. If you're downloading this app, you'll get a bonus of $5 on your account right now. So now next I'll be showing you how much I have earned in this app in my phone. Let us quickly go to my phone's dashboard right now. So here you can see I am on my phone's dashboard right now. So I'll be opening up this app. I've already installed and I've used this app for 1 day around, or 1.5 day around. So here you can see how much I have earned. I have gained around $5027, $5,000.30, which is approximately $5.03 I have in my account. And you can withdraw this amount after you've crossed around $20, that you can reach very easily. And once you have crossed around $20, you can transfer those money. The payout button will come out, and though you can transfer those money to your bank account directly. So that's all I have earned from this app. You can also start earning, and if you spend money, you can earn money. If you spend time on the internet, you can earn money. That's very easy.
If you want to see how I'm making money online, make sure you check these 2 cool videos out right now.